Connect your USB-C devices without audio jack to headphones, headset, speakers, and other audio devices. Low power consumption, excellent and stable decoding performance, and maximum support for 16-bit/48 kHz audio sampling rate. The USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter features a smart DAC chip. Keep the original sound quality of your headphones. The DAC chip can also convert digital audio signals to analog audio signals. With durable metal-coated connectors for better contact, ensure stable and lossless audio signal transmission, this Type-C to AUX adapter can stand with the relief strain design. Compatibility is important. Please check before purchasing if our product requires an adapter or converter for use in your destination.